Hello everyone, this is my review of this electric air duster. This electric air duster comes with 6 attachments, USB to USB-C charging cable, a brush and a bag that you can store everything in. The 6 attachments make it very versatile, so different cleaning modes or methods that you would like to use it for. The blower has a display that shows you the percentage of power that's left on it. It also displays the level of speed that you have it set at. It has 3 different speeds, L1, L2, and L3. Also a LED light so you can use it in dark places. You can also swivel the head if you need to turn it to have it in a different angle. You can attach the adapters to the suction side to use to suck out small debris, dust, and air, but it's not a vacuum cleaner, so don't use it for that. It works great for whatever you need it for cleaning your computer, inflating rafts, and blowing dust out of different areas and places without having to buy a whole bunch of canned air. It's portable and rechargeable and have a very powerful motor, so I highly recommend this product and I hope this review helps.